I had the opportunity to go tour Blue Origin in the fall, and one of the things that everybody down there talks about is this idea of getting the moon and then using the moon. In fact, the phrase that one of your colleagues said was, we're going to use the moon. The moon is going to be like JFK, the airport. Because, no, like JFK, the airport. Because we're going to send stuff to the moon, and then from the moon, then we're going to go to Mars. It's like a pit stop along the way. And I thought that was sort of a very interesting thought process.
There's a very strong argument to be made that the moon is a good stepping stone to the rest of the solar system. And the reason for that, because the moon has a much lower gravity level than the Earth, and because it has a lot of very important minerals, and also water in the form of ice in the permanently shadowed craters at the poles of the moon. And ice can be water can be converted into hydrogen and oxygen, which happen to be the very best, highest performing rocket propellants. And so you can, it takes, to raise a kilogram of mass from the Earth takes 28 times as much energy as raising that same kilogram from the moon. So to the degree that you can get raw materials from the moon, which is, again, we're talking about a couple of generations in the future, but to the degree that you can get raw materials from the moon instead of from Earth, those materials will allow you to build spaceships and to fuel those spaceships and to build solar arrays and all these other things that you want to do, but using lunar resources instead of Earth resources, and then it would provide a very convenient stepping stone to the rest of the solar system.